Hey guys, it's Amanda here, and I'm gonna lead you through a few quick moves that you can do in 2 minutes when you need a movement reset. So grab your foam roller and just bring it to your upper chest. This is my favorite thing to do every morning or at the end of a long day, and just bring it to that upper chest. You can bring your hands back behind your head, and you really just wanna find a spot where you can kind of get into like that crunchy zone. You probably know what I'm talking about. And you can just roll up and down on the spine until you find that juicy spot, and then just hang out there for a couple of breaths. You might have some cracking going on. Might just feel really nice to release tension in the upper back. Nice. Often when we're sitting throughout the day, we can kind of get hunched over. So this is a nest opener that you can do to counteract that pattern. And we'll change. So just rolling out of that, you can put your foam roller off to the side and meet me in down dog. Just a quick stretch here. Pedaling out the legs. Down dog is a great reset pose because you get like a hamstring stretch. You get to really engage throughout your core and your arms. It's a full body move. Nice, and just moving in whatever way feels good. And coming down to all fours. We'll just take a couple of breaths here. So inhale. And exhale. Beautiful. And I'll see you next time.